Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, unboxing video. In front of me you will see Razr 60 Ultra. So you follow me, you know that about a month and a half ago, I got myself my first Fold. It's a Vivo X Fold 5. It's an amazing Fold, by the way. I've done a few videos, go back and check them out. And I decided to go, you know what, there's actually one phone missing. It's a flip. Of course you got the Samsung ones, it's probably the most famous one out there, but it's also probably the most expensive. And I was actually thinking of getting the Xiaomi Mi Mix Flip 2. And then when I was checking reviews and all that stuff, okay, there was a lot of comparisons between the Xiaomi, the Samsung and Razr. And majority of the times, Razr came out on top, saying that that's their favorite one. So I decided, you know what, I used to have Razr back in the day. I think anybody in a certain age will remember the flip Motorola phones like that. I remember having a Razr as well, the classic funky, the buttons, you can change the colors. If I remember correctly, they were cool. So kind of a bit of nostalgic as well, and it looked pretty cool, and it was the cheapest one out of the lot. So I got this from Wonder Mobile. I'll leave the link below. This is actually a global version. I got it for about £725, including postage was about £735 rounded off. This is a 16 gig 512, 16 gig RAM, 512 RAM, and so yes, including posting package, about £735. Okay. On the official website, UK website, this will be going on for 1100, 1099.99. So 1099 plus 99p. So just around you up to £1,100 for the same spec. So I decided to go Wonder Mobile. As I said, I'll leave the link below. Also, at the beginning intro, seeing you see all the specs, go back there and pause it if you want to see all the specs. So have a quick guess which color I chose. Let's just put it aside. They have opened it. They said they had to flash it, I think, to get the global version. We'll check that in a sec. And I was actually not expecting anything, to be fair, because since most global phones nowadays don't have charger, but this one has. You're all in black, which is cool. Let me see. There's a C. Oh, it's a C to C cable. Cool. So C to C cable. And then you got the charger. This one is, I actually don't know. I think it's 60, 70 around there. Anyway, you do get a charger. I don't really use these because I got my own Anchor chargers, which I use all the time to charge all my devices. So a lot of my phones, I actually barely use any of the cables or the charger because I've got so many. But this one's good. At least you get a power brick, unlike other companies out there. Oh, look at that nice little Motorola 89. So I don't know if that means anything. Probably means 89 watts. But hey, the specs at the beginning, check that out please. So here you go, pretty cool in there. Then here, let's have a look. Oh, cool. You got your case. I'll unbox that in a sec. You got the usual paperwork. Oh, wonder where the SIM tray ejection tool is. Oh, there it is. This is not that good. Usually they have, most good companies will have like it kind of stuck or something like that. This is a bit random, which is just everything is in the same place. That is a bit of a letdown because I was hoping maybe the SIM tray tool will have his own little pocket here, but hey, So that's the unboxing for that. Let me just put that aside. Okay, so did you guess what color or style I got? The hell of it, I'm gonna rip this. try and be nice. It's actually this version here, which is called the Mountain Trail, if I'm correct. Oh, it's actually real wood. When the YouTuber said this is actually real wood, I was just maybe thinking they may be exaggerating, but it's actually real wood. And you've got metal. You can see how flat it is. If you compare this, say, to the Xiaomi Mi Mix 2 Flip 2 and the Samsung Flip 7 now, this is probably the thickest one, but honestly, if you're holding it like a candy bar phone, it's thinner than a lot of standard candy bar phones. But the screen is 7 inches. You actually feel pretty good in the hand. 4-inch display in front. So just peel this off. Whoops. Oh, there's a magnetic cover. There you go, just slide it off like that. Not bad. Let's see if I can do that thing what it really does. Kind of got to get used to it, I think. Do that one more time. It's quite satisfactory to do this. It's got nice. You see how. Okay, so about here. Start from here. See where it kind of starts to collapse. That's not bad. That's not bad. Oh, it's really good. So let's have a look on the side. You got on your right hand side, you got power, rolling rocker. Left hand side is probably some sort of notification thing. Top, you've got antennas, mics, and some sticker there, which I'll take off now. Well, I'll take off in a sec. Bottom, SIM tray, USB, and mic. Is that a mic? Cool. You got a camera up here. 2 cameras at the back. Cool. It already comes with a screen protector on, which is always good. There you go. Pretty cool. Let me just switch on and see if there's any juice. Nope, it looks like it needs some charging. Cool. So I'll leave that charge for a bit and set this up, and then if you follow me, you know that I will do an unboxing, and in the next few days I'll just spend some time with it as my daily phone and do some camera tests, OS tests, maybe just a little bit of gaming test, but nothing too hardcore. You know me, I'm not a mobile gamer, and I give you my verdict to see if it's a good phone. Do bear in mind this is my first flip. If it's like the fold, you may change me. So yeah, I'm actually looking forward to using my first flip phone and my first Motorola in, God, how many years now? Over 15 years or so now, maybe even longer than that. Yeah, it's probably been longer than that. So looking forward to getting acquainted with some old, feels like a reunion some sort, doesn't it? Anyway, so yeah, I'd like to say please check back in a few days and have my full impressions with many tests. Yeah, until next time, please like and subscribe, all that cool stuff. Thank you. You know what I forgot to do? I forgot to unpack or unwrap the case. So here's the case, which I already unwrapped. This kind of feels like leather, fake leather. It's got this weird thing attached to it, probably for some hook. You got also this, which I assume goes here, and you can put your like a lanyard or something on it. So this looks a bit more fiddly than normal. My normal cases. assume it's like this. Oops, I've got to take this off. Let me just do that again. Oh, these. Oh, this is sticks to your. Okay. I don't know if I like that. That sticks to your sides, because when you do take it off, you might leave some residue. Same here. But anyway, let's put it on anyway and see how it looks. Oh, this is kind of like, put it in a spoon. I really don't know what this is. Like a little handbag or something like that. A lanyard. If there's a lanyard for it, maybe they should have put that in a box. Don't know what I think about this, because this gets in the way. Well, you know what, I'll probably just use it without the case for now, and probably buy a separate case that's a bit more simple. None of these kind of attachments. Well, that's about it for the video. Again, please like and subscribe, all that good stuff. Until next time, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever in the world. Please do stay safe. Goodbye now.